massage a little bit the laogong just to relax the palm, open it. I'm doing it on both sides. I'm just letting the qi flow down towards the palm. Gently turning the palm towards the abdomen and trying to feel, I would say turning the palm all the way facing in, to feel the connection of each palm with the inside of the lower abdomen, connecting with the lower dantian. When we do this, it's relatively easy to feel the connection from each palm inside, but we kind of lost the connection of the two palms together. So now we're reopening, going back to feeling the connection between the two palms. And we notice that we kind of lost the connection within the dantian at that point. And now, as we're going to go to reconnect again with the lower dantian, we're trying to find the spot where all three are connected. But we'll intentionally go too far as to just feel the connection between the two hands again, just so that we're starting to feel more or less the right angle between our palm and the abdomen to feel where everything fits together. So that as we play like this, we can end up finding the right spot to really feel the connection still present between the palms and also with the lower dantian. So once you have the sensation about in the lower dantian, you can refine that angle a little bit to see if you feel it more in the front of the lower dantian, in the center of the body, and if you can connect it all the way to Migmen. Kind of adjusting a little bit the angle to feel those three spots. Kind of surface Renmai, Qi Hai or Guan Yuan more or less in the front, then bringing it into the center and then moving all the way to Migmen, but while trying to keep the connection with the palms together in the front also. So the adjustment is a lot more subtle at first. And then trying to find a way to get to feel the center, but also feel the extremities, the front, the back. And then we can adjust to feel also with the perineum. So we'll tilt the palm facing a little more low towards the earth, and then bringing it back up, opening it and feeling how the qi can rise towards the diaphragm. And the same, trying to bring it back more or less to the center where we can have a perception of a big ball, basically all the way inside. So from here we'll add the breathing. Feel that as the diaphragm pushes down, we have kind of an expansion happening. And that as we exhale, naturally the hands are coming back and compressing the qi inward. And we keep the arms very relaxed. They're like in water, floating. And it's almost as if just the inhale creates enough of a push on the water that we feel the ripples and our hands are moving. And as we exhale, we just feel that the deflation of the abdomen allows our arms to come back closer. So gently we're going to let our hand kind of rise on top, feeling the connection with the feet, and try to feel like there's this big ball more or less from the diaphragm connecting all the way down to the earth under. So we're kind of just letting our arms rest on top of it. So inhaling, feeling the front of the abdomen, the perineum, the lower back opening. And exhaling, letting the chi come back, condense into the center. And gently letting the hands sink as we exhale, so the arm kind of stretched a little bit. And then connecting with the feet as we inhale, feeling how the lower body fills up till about the abdomen or the diaphragm, and then come back down. Allowing the chi to sink deeper into the earth. Feeling that our hands or arms are very relaxed and they're kind of gently floating up from the wave of the breath, and then coming back down. And gradually, as we feel that all the lower body is filled up to the diaphragm, we allow the hands to start to go up, and we'll let the thoracic breathing kick in so that we have a little bit of a longer, deeper breath. And to get that support a little closer to the arm between the shoulder and the elbows, to feel how the sinking of the shoulder blades help to lift the arm even more, and then allowing the arms to rise, or the palm to rise all the way to the eyes. Feeling the top of the head by way opening, connecting to the sky and allowing the chi from the sky to sink all the way down deep into the earth.